or Cat ID Post Combo, Clickson. Then we have Brave, Sean, and Sony. Brave per set. Okay, this one, Sean. Brave Sean. This is the second set. Okay. Then the third set is Sony. Sony. Where's Sony? This is the third set combo. So from 33M to 35M. Okay, we got it. Top is successfully claimed. Okay, already credited to my balance. So this is the final combo.